So I have started with just water boiling, and I have added 2 of these not fish bouillon cubes. Once it boils, I'm going to add 170 grams of soy curls. I'm going to hydrate them for about 5 minutes. What I'm doing now is just breaking these up a little. I want it to be smaller pieces, like ceviche. I guess like Mexican ceviche. And once they're smaller, I'm gonna add the lime, the ketchup, and a little bit of salt. So here I'm gonna add to my soy curls, and you can see the consistency that they have now. Kind of small. I'm gonna add the juice of 6 limes. After that, I will add about 4 tablespoons of ketchup and salt to taste. So I ended up only using 5 limes and 1/4 cup of ketchup. And again, this is gonna be to your liking, and those limes were super juicy, so the 6 limes would have been too much. I also added 1 teaspoon of salt. And after this, we just leave it inside the fridge for a couple hours, just for it to catch the flavor of the lime. And they say the lime cooks it, but our soy is already cooked. Usually it's fish, or I don't know what else they use for ceviche. But after this, once the 2 hours are over, we can go ahead and add our veggies. So for the next part, I'm just gonna chop some tomatoes, cucumber, avocado, onion, and a little bit of cilantro, and that'll be to your taste. So after you have chopped everything, and if you have chiles serranos, add them. I didn't have them today, I forgot. But you can add 1 chile or 2 chiles serranos. And after you dice everything and mixed it, this is how it's gonna look. You serve it on a tostada with vegan mayo or regular mayo, whatever you use. And then you put your vegetarian vegan ceviche on top. And this tastes really good. I'll show you how I serve my tostada later.